And they got me up when they got me out.
Passed out.
My blood pressure was low. It was at the 50s.
Aki lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Dale, hey, 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 hey. Yeah, hey.
All right, so today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday. And we're gonna go pick up the wife. She's gonna get out right now. At 9, they're gonna put her like inside the chamber, and she wants us to get there. So. All right, we just got here. Hey, for real, where is he at?
It's his day off.
Oh. All right, we made it inside. Here's the patient. How you feeling?
I'm not having a lot of pain, but I do feel the pain.
Oh, okay.
Like, that's not, it's like...
From a scale of 1 to 10.
Like 4.
4? You were at 3-4 yesterday.
It's not a lot of pain.
So what do you feel? Like, what is it?
I feel like sore from my body. Like if I was ran
But you're
over.
still at a 3-4?
Like if I got ran over. Like if I got ran over and like my body just feels like really, really sore. Everything. And then right now, you guys are telling me stories. And I'm trying not to laugh because when I laugh, it feels like my abs are burning. Everything in my abs are like... I can't do no strength on my abs. So right now they burn because you guys are making me laugh.
What are we laughing about?
You're mean.
Okay, update for you guys. So the plan was that she was gonna leave today around what 10:30 after the chamber, but she's in pain. Her pain's what at an 8?
I got 5'6".
5'6"?
She's
Because yesterday,
7.
I know yesterday she said she was 3'4", 5'6". Today you can't even get up.
Right now, if I'm like this stiff, like not moving, I'm like a 5'6". If I start moving, I'm gonna start punching people.
Okay, so since she's in a lot of pain, because we were trying to get her up earlier, so to like scoot her up, and she was crying in tears and everything, so she's gonna stay another night.
Yeah,
because it's not a good idea.
At the recovery center, they check my blood. Actually, my blood level's low, so they're gonna put IV fluids on me right now.
Another night for you,
yeah. And
then tomorrow in the morning or whatever after your massage, we'll take off.
We'll go home. I'm ready to go home. That means you guys have to be in charge of that Airbnb, cleaning it out, making sure that you don't forget anything. But Chochi and Jose bought me food yesterday. They went to the store, so Chochi's gonna bring my food later.
Dang, another mission drive. Oh, maybe not, because I mean that's only like in the morning time, like rush hour. Like
on the way here is on the way there. On the way there, it's just highway.
You guys start going during the rush hour in the morning.
That's what I was saying. In the morning, it's like rush hour. Like.
And then on the way here, we had to go through like 25 stoplights, another more, 15 bus stops, and 37 train tracks.
37.
It was so annoying.
Yeah, it took a while to get here.
Mm.
And the funny thing is that it's 24 miles away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's only like 4 miles away, but it took us like how long? Like
5 years.
30 minutes.
All right, so
that's
we'll
LA for you guys. LA.
Mm-hmm. Why do you like that?
That's why they say it. LA. People from LA.
So what happened? Why did we take a long time to come inside here?
Because I passed out.
Yep, she passed out.
I did. First of all, I peed. I peed myself because I think the catheter got pinched, so it wasn't sucking out my pee. Like it wasn't sucking it out, and I felt like I had to pee really bad. So and I ended up peeing myself with the catheter on. So then the girls came over here and they're like, "Oh, we gotta change you because you pee yourself." And they got me up when they got me out.
Passed out.
My blood pressure was low. It was at the 50s. And then they woke me up with the little salts.
Woke your ass up real quick, huh?
They did. And then they put me back to bed and they had to put fluids all in me. I had all the staff inside. I guess that's a good thing when you stay in recovery centers, guys, because they have staff, they have everything to monitor you and all that. Because if I were to be at home...
Yeah, I know. And she was supposed to actually go with us, leave with us today. See? Imagine. Then what are you eating now?
Caldito de pollo with the patita broth that I made last time. And then Chochi went and she hooked it up with the vegetables. And she did the most.
Yeah, and then we have our food over here. What's some crispy apples?
I did caldito too.
I'm not hungry.
You're not gonna be hungry, but my husband is starting to love.
She needs to eat.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
pobrecito, he's gonna deteriorate.
How was your guys' tamales?
He ate like 15 tamales.
Yeah?
No, I ate like 3 tamales,
Potato wedges.
2 wedges. They were good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're
right.
No, mine were good. Mine were not dry. You said yours were dry, huh? Oh no, more masa than. Yeah, mine were good.
Now, every time I have to go pee, they have to help me.
Yikes.
And I told the lady, I was like, I still have to pee. What do I do? She's like, do you want to sit down on the toilet? And I was like,
Oh, good thing we brought. I mean,
You
we
know
brought this
what?
thing right
You
here.
should have brought your pee funnel.
She made me pee on a little.
On a doggy pad?
To put a doggy pad on the bottom and a little funnel, and I just had to pee and she was catching it.
Oh, you didn't? You weren't sitting down on the toilet?
We should have
Ooh.
brought her funnel.
Well, I mean, we brought this. I don't know if this
That's the poop.
to poop. I mean, don't you sit to pee
Oh.
too? Alright.
Sorry,
Well, I
my
mean,
life,
well,
guys.
we brought that.
So you're just gonna pee standing up?
Day 2. That's how day 2 is going so far. Look at my veins.
So what happens if you don't, if you feel, I don't know, like you don't feel good to go tomorrow?
No, it was only today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be fine.
Hey, no passing out on the road.
What's the 2 salts?
Oh, take salt. Wake your ass up in the freeway.
Oh no.
I had to take salts.
I think you're. I don't know. You might have to be in the back though, because Jocelyn's gonna have to drain you.
I can do it while she sits in the front.
What about the right one? Maybe the left one, but what about the right one?
I can do that. I'm skinny. I can fit places.
We'll see. Where
Alright.
I go. As long as I'm comfy.
We're gonna put you in the trunk.
The doctor's like, did you put on those patches? It's like, no. He's like, alright. So they're trying to figure out what got me to pass out. I was like, I don't know. I'm starving.
She
Nah, I think you
but
just
she
got
had
it too
4
fast.
meals already.
All right. Well, we're gonna let you eat. Hasta la vista. On to the next. All right. So we're gonna eat right now. We're gonna eat our
Dinner.
tilapia.
Well, steamed rice and steamed veggies. And low sodium.
Low sodium everything.
What is that? Teriyaki. Yeah.
I've been eating no salt. 0 to
Zero.
To
Little
no
to
salt.
little to no salt.
yeah.
Get us.
Give him the Coke.
Are they both diet?
No,
Coke
Coke
Zero.
Zero and there's a shade.
Coke 0.
Which one's the zero one? This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah. Good choice.
Ah.
He did a ha
All right. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. What you put in that fish, man?
I haven't even tasted
Mercury.
Mercury.
It might be disgusting, sister.
It's okay.
No.
I
no
just
salt.
need nutrients.
Parasites.
I just need nutrients. Guys, I feel so much better. Oh,
After you passed out?
I swear. That wasn't the best. But I feel so much better. Day 2 tomorrow. Chamber. They're gonna do me. They were gonna put me today in the oxygen chamber, but I think I'm too weak for it. So they're gonna do it tomorrow, and then they're gonna do my massages, and then we go home.
Man, that massage thing just sounds painful. Just hearing like a massage and then, you know, because you're like that.
It is.
It's pretty buzzed down.
Damn. And as soon as you're done with that massage, straight to the truck.
And straight home.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but my fish is good.
She got down. Look at her.
Is she doing the stinky leg again?
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna eat.
Alright.
We don't want to pass out.
On to the next.
On to the next. Alright, 7:22. They're about to kick us out, so.
They're brushing my hair.
Yeah. Getting my hair
Okay.
brushed.
She's brushing my hair.
She's Jose brushing no hair right now.
Yeah, I'm just a vlogger. Oh, I'm just a cameraman.
She's
So how do you
brushing
feel?
my
Let us know. How you feeling?
pain? Or just overall?
Yeah, overall pain,
Like a 4. 4 out of 10.
4, what?
4 out of 10.
Oh, 4 out of 10? I thought you said 4 out of 10. I was like, what?
No, 4 out of 10. I'm not like in pain. I just had my medicine not too long ago. So maybe because of that. And I'm walking already. Without passing out. I'm walking. I already went to the restroom 2 or 3 times. 2?
Yeah, like 3. Yeah,
3 times. And I can walk. A little walker.
It's a pickup in the back, in the trunk, in the front.
Yeah, so she's getting her hair done because we're about to leave. Whoa. They said 7, right?
They're about to
7:22.
kick us out.
I know, they're going to kick us out right now.
Yeah, they're gonna go and clean up the Airbnb, get everything packed and loaded, and they're gonna pick me up tomorrow morning. They're gonna come straight over here, and then you guys are gonna see me go in the oxygen chamber, the massages, and then from here back to Visalia.
Back home. I'm still thinking about that massage.
Oh.
That massage.
Y no
that
se
she's
lo está
gonna
dando
get.
a él. He's over there
I know. I'm
thinking
thinking
about-
like, dude, like
Am I pulling your
if
hair?
you're in pain and you're getting a massage.
I heard they hurt really bad.
But they also. What are you doing?
Holding on to this because he's pulling my hair. Just mean.
Yeah, we need to wipe you down because you have like dried up.
Blood.
Yeah.
I know. And like it looks like I got hickeys.
Yikes.
This is my little. When are these? These are.
I think they'll be getting there tomorrow.
Careful with your the buckle.
I would think that they would give you like one of these to go. Like, I mean, besides this one, like another one. So while that one's getting washed or whatever, we could put the other one on you. Because I guess she has to have that on, like at all times, right?
He said that later on not to put these, to put the foam.
Foam?
Yeah.
What do you mean foam?
The foams.
They have one here. Are they gonna give you one or
Have you put on your lipo foam yet?
No, he said tomorrow after my massage.
what foam are you talking about?
Like the foams that I bought from my lipo. The boards.
Oh, okay, yeah. The ones that are gonna go all over your body, like on your chest and all that.
No, your hair back here is like super duper tangled. So.
I think it's blood.
No.
I haven't showered.
It really is. There's like blood right here.
I thought you were gonna get like a wipe down or.
She did. Me desmayé.
Oh.
She just got my legs.
All right, so we're gonna be leaving pretty soon. So we'll see you
Tomorrow. In the chambers.
Yep. So on to the next.